Good morning to you. As you're hitting the road this morning, you can look forward to a gorgeous day. It's clear, still a little chilly outside. Certainly you'll want to have a jacket as you head out and about, but the puffy coat from yesterday, you can leave that at home. At lunchtime, enjoy all the sunshine we're having. Temperatures are already going to be warmer than we were all day yesterday, just at the lunch hour today. And then this afternoon, unseasonably warm temperatures. We're going to be about 13 degrees warmer than we were yesterday. Yesterday's high was 55 degrees. Today, we're headed into the upper 60s. Right now, it's 40 degrees in Greensboro. Close to it in Liberty, 39, and same for Asheboro, 39 degrees, 43 for Winston-Salem, and 38 in High Point and Lexington. A little chillier down towards Albemarle and Denton. And also along the Virginia line, we have a few reporting stations there in the mid-30s. So you'll definitely want to have something warm to wear as you're heading out the door. Later this afternoon, though, I think by lunchtime, just leave the coat in the car. You're going to be hopefully enjoying a beautiful day. It's clear as a bell all across the southeastern corner of the country. A cold front will come through later today, but the air is so dry. We just aren't expecting anything from this front except a slight cool down. Rain? No, we don't have to worry about that. I don't even think we're going to see many clouds towards the end of the day. Tomorrow, as high pressure builds in, we will have a slightly cooler day, but it's still going to be really comfortable to be outside, and we'll have a lot of sunshine. By Friday and Saturday, rain's going to be around, so plan accordingly. You'll likely have to be avoiding raindrops Friday night for one, and then into Saturday. Total rainfall 1 to 1.5 inches for that 2-day period. We'll dry out Friday, though. I should say Sunday we will dry out and stay fairly dry into Monday and Tuesday as well.